My friends, I got a tool in my hand that's so amazing that once you're done watching this video, you're gonna say to yourself, that's real nice. What's going on, everybody? My name is Clint. Welcome to the Tool Review Zone channel. As you can see, it's a bit chilly in the garage today, and I can't turn my heat on because it'll interfere with my audio, and I don't want you to have a bad viewing experience. So I'm leaving it off. My hero? Yes. The video is not about me, it's about this. You see, on this channel, we've done quite a many utility knives. Now, hold on. You say to yourself, I don't care about no utility knife. I already have my favorite utility knife. And you might, until now. Let me explain. This right here, not only does it take the best from a lot of utility knives that are already out on the market, it has its own cool feature. A feature that you may want or need. So what do we got here today? Now, this utility knife is from ToughBuilt. We've been doing a little bit more ToughBuilt on the channel. A lot of people loving this brand, so I'll bring it to the channel. If you happy, I'm happy. Now, ToughBuilt has a lot of different utility knives, but this one here, a little bit special. Now, the most important thing about utility knives, at least for me, is are they easy to use? I don't want to deal with the ones you got to push down in the back and open these things up. But nope, this one here has a button. And it's sort of like the fastback from the Milwaukee IA. All you do is push this button and it'll literally just fall out. It's gravity fed. So if I want to flip it open or close or whatever I want to do, it's extremely easy to do so. So that's a big plus for me. I love the easy open close feature. All right, you say to yourself, well, I need some of that sweet blade storage. Now, this has that. It has the blade storage on the inside. So if you were to open that up like so, you can see there's a little metal piece right here with a magnet that'll help hold the blades in. The first time you got to open this might be a little bit tricky, but after, it's not an issue at all. You just pull up on that. You can see the blade right there. You can fit two of them. And then again, there's magnet in there. So you just pull those out and then just slide those back down in for extra bladage. Now, before we talk about the other features and the one cool part that I love about this, I do want to talk about the blade. Now, to release it, you just push this button right here. And ToughBuilt has their own proprietary blades. You can see there's a hole in the middle right there. You see, these holes, they allow certain ToughBuilt utility knives to do certain things that other utility knives just can't do. But a lot of people say, I don't want to buy proprietary bladage. Well, you don't have to on this. This will take any regular standard utility knife blades. So they just come with the ToughBuilt blades, but it'll work with any blade. That's real nice. My hands are so cold. Now on this, you do have your wire strippers. Let me show you. How you doing? See that right there? So if you're an electrician or anybody that needs to strip wire, that's there for you. But what we have right here. Do you see that? Right here. What we have right here is a pry bar. Maybe there's other out on the market that have this, but I've never seen one this prominent. If you're a handyman, painter, this is gonna come in very, very handy for you. It's not real thin, not real flimsy, not cheesy. If you look at this up on top right here, it's beefy, it's girthy, it's manly. I'm a man. But what's cool about this, you got some small nails you gotta remove, pry out, or paint cans, stain cans, whatever. You just get in there and you open it up. And that, my friends, that's real nice. Now, what I will say is it's definitely not the lightest utility knife that I've ever used, but it's also definitely not the heaviest utility knife that I've ever used. There's a lot of metal on this. As you can see on the inside, a lot of metal going on in there, all up on top, built very well. You got the metal pocket clip right here, all going down the side and then going down the side over here. The button itself for release, it's metal obviously, but it's very smooth. The outside is like a rubber plastic, but it's a very heavy grade type of rubber plastic. I know all of their colors on ToughBuilt, they're black and yellow, but what's nice about this yellow tip is that this makes it a little bit easier to find it if it's laying somewhere. And it doesn't say anything about a lanyard hook or setup or anything, but you can clearly see that you can run your lanyard. And if you did get any jams or hang-ups or whatever, very simple to take this thing apart, add a little bit of that greasage on there. So I have been using this for a couple days, and again, it has been working fantastic. Again, very easy to open, close. What I will tell you is that when I post videos like something for these things here, they sell out very, very quickly. I have a shopping bag attached to the beginning of this video. If you want to grab this, you can get this actually for the 2-blade holder, and then it comes with the 3rd blade. I think it's like $14, and then for the 1 blade only, it's a couple dollars less. So still, the price-wise is fantastic for what you're getting on these utility knives. But if you want to see more cool tools from them, I have many more coming. I just think that they're doing some innovative, cool things over there. But I really like this. I love the you know, the can opener, lid opener, pulling out little baby nails, all that good stuff. I just think this is a really nice touch, and it's beefy, it's heavy, and it's manly. But check out this video right here. I think you're gonna love that right there. Back more videos soon.